Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook vegan meals. First, understand that plant-based cooking is simpler than you might think. Focus on whole foods like vegetables, fruits, grains, and legumes. You'll need basic kitchen tools such as a good knife, cutting board, and a few pots and pans. Learning simple substitutions, like using plant milk instead of dairy, will open up many culinary possibilities. It's all about building a foundation of knowledge for delicious, healthy eating. Building a well-stocked vegan pantry is key to effortless cooking. Start with versatile grains like quinoa, brown rice, and oats, which form the base of many meals. Legumes, such as black beans, lentils, and chickpeas, are excellent sources of protein and fiber and are incredibly affordable. Don't forget nuts, seeds, and nutritional yeast. These add rich flavors and essential nutrients, making your dishes both satisfying and wholesome. Cooking delicious vegan meals doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. You can whip up a hearty lentil soup in under 30 minutes, perfect for a quick weeknight dinner. A vibrant vegetable and tofu stir-fry is another fantastic option, offering endless variations with different seasonal produce. For a satisfying and flavorful meal, try baking homemade black bean burgers, which are surprisingly simple to prepare and always a crowd pleaser. To truly elevate your vegan cooking, don't shy away from experimenting with a wide array of spices and fresh herbs. They can transform simple ingredients into extraordinary dishes. Consider batch cooking staples like grains and beans once or twice a week. This saves significant time during busy days. Finally, explore diverse cuisines from around the world, like Indian or Mediterranean, to discover new flavors and expand your delicious vegan recipe repertoire.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.